this one, or
that one.
Okay, give it to me. I'll get it out for you. The red or the white?
That one.
Which one?
That one.
This one or this one?
That one.
This one. Okay, make a hole and plant it there.
Papa, go better. Hurry.
Okay, I'll help you.
Go.
Come up.
Go up, please.
Come here. Yeah, I'll hold it. You.
Papa, I'm playing.
You
Okay.
planting?
Make the hole. Not this one, this one.
This one.
Good job. Now, you make a hole. Put it in. Okay, and now, what you do? You need more?
Yeah.
Put some more. There you have. Here. Put it here. Good job. You want some more?
I need.
Look. There's some more. Put some more in there. With a shovel.
Raphael, use the shovel.
Circle.
A while ago he wanted gloves. Good job. You planted your plant.
Wait. I need that one. Please.
Well, you're done.
Good job, Raphael.
This is Raphael's. Raphael, is this yours? That planter broke.
It broke.
Look at the...
I need to get
It's
some
loose.
more. I need to get some more.